Hey everyone, my name is Cassie Homan. I'm the Horticulture Agent for the Post Rock District. Today I wanted to share with you some quick gardening resources we have available. I know a lot of people have some free time at home right now, so it's the perfect time to start a garden. It doesn't have to be a big garden. You can do raised beds, you can do containers, you can dig up a little plot of grass and start some vegetables. But I wanted to share with you some really great resources that K-State offers to get you started. So the first one is the Kansas Garden Guide. And this is an amazing booklet that we have available. You can get this at extension offices, but it's also available online, which is great. So I will link below where you can find this, but it's available on our website. And it's a great book on planting a garden, fertilizing your garden, how to amend your soil, how to water the garden. And then my favorite part is there's a large section kind of towards the back on each specific garden crop. So if you've never grown broccoli before, there's a section on broccoli, and it will tell you exactly the fertilizer that it needs, how to care for broccoli, and even gives you some recommended varieties of broccoli. So all those crops are in the back. There's also an amazing calendar, which I really like, in the very back, and it just kind of helps you know when to plant your crops. Another resource I wanted to talk about are a publication we have called the Vegetable Planting Guide, and it will help you know kind of how to plant out your garden spacing, so kind of the amount of inches you should go in between rows and just how far out you should space your seedlings. It talks about how many plants you should plant per crop, so if you have a family of 6, how many tomato plants should you plant so that your family will have enough food over the summer. So that's a really good resource. The calendar is also in this document. I really recommend that one. And then lastly is probably my favorite publication we have. It is the Recommended Vegetable Varieties. And I love this one because it's kind of like a shopping list that you can use. So when you're going to the greenhouse or the garden center or purchasing seeds, I like to use this list because these vegetables have been tested and they're proven to do well in Kansas. So if you're looking for a new tomato variety to try, if you want to grow heirloom tomatoes for the first time, this list will have some recommended varieties of tomatoes that K-State says should do well in Kansas. So you can use that as a guide when picking out plants to grow. So spring is here. It's the perfect time to start gardening. We have things starting to pop up in the garden, and we're going to start planting some more. So if you have any questions about your lawn or your garden, give us a call at your local extension office.